today. This is my science model, waste management, which comes under the concept of environmental concerns. During recent years, NGO, non-governmental organizations have taken up initiative to work with local residents to improve sanitation. But still most of the people in rural areas are not aware about it. They throw garbage here and there and thereby disturb the environment. Proper management of waste is important for building sustainable environment, but it remains a challenge to manage the waste properly. As we know that the people in our country are not habitual of disposing the waste properly. What they do is, they keep their house clean by throwing the garbage in the dustbin and they empty the filled dustbin in nearby locality. So, if they throw the garbage in open area, the area gets polluted and the fertility of soil also decreases. Also, most of the people collect the garbage and throw it in nearby drainage. And that is because the garbage gets stuck in the drainage and that can lead to flood. Recent studies have also proved that garbage that is not properly disposed enter into drainage system and clog the drains. This disturbs the free flow of water that enter into these drains, causing the water to back up during rainfall, flooding the surrounding area. That is why proper disposal of waste is must. This should be the responsibility of municipal officers to take care of it. So, by this science model, I am going to explain you what can be done. See, first of all, we should try to segregate dry waste and wet waste. We should use 2 dustbins for it. After the dustbins get filled, we should not empty it anywhere. We should construct 2 garbage collectors in our area, that is per village or per kilometer area, each of dry waste and wet waste. The dustbins from each house should be emptied in the garbage collector, like dry waste dustbin in dry waste garbage collector, wet waste dustbin in wet waste garbage collector. At least this much effort can be made by us. But the question arises, what will happen if the garbage collector will become filled completely? The answer to this is, we should implement some sensors on garbage collector in such a way that when the capacity of garbage collector goes beyond limit, the sensors will detect it and the alarm will ring in the village and in municipal office too. For this, the municipal office should construct a board on which the name of different villages should be mentioned. If the garbage collector of a particular village is filled, the name of the village on the board of municipal office will be highlighted too. This will alert the municipal officers that the garbage collector of a particular village is filled and thereby the garbage collecting vehicle will be sent to collect the garbage from particular village. Now, I will show you how does it work. See, the dustbins near most of the houses are filled. Now, I will empty the filled dustbin in the garbage collector. Once the garbage collector goes beyond the limit, the alarm will ring. See. Can you see this alarm? Can you listen this alarm? The villagers will become alert and they will not throw the garbage in it further. See the municipal office board. The name of the village is highlighted here. See, Tudili. Now, the garbage collecting vehicle will be sent to collect the garbage and hence in this way the waste can be managed. The dry waste should be sent for recycling and the wet waste can be converted into fuel and